Guys, I don't have good news for you today. My TikTok shop, let's just say it's not doing so well right now. And it's all because of me. I messed up and I kind of got shadow banned in a way. I basically got punished by TikTok for some things that I've done to my shop, which are very easily to avoid. And let this be a lesson to you. Okay, so let me give you a story of what has happened to me. Okay, as you guys know, I started dropshipping on TikTok shops, mostly using eBay. So eBay is my supplier. I find products on eBay, list them on TikTok shop. TikTok is promoting my products through different content creators, and also they just push my products to the public. So I don't have to do any advertisement. I don't need to create content. TikTok handles all of that, which is amazing. All I have to do basically is just list products, make sure that they are great products, and then whenever I get an order, go on eBay, order it, ship it to my customer, boom, done deal, okay? Collect money. And everything has been working great so far. I've started this earlier in the summer. Me and my virtual assistant were adding a couple products a day. Currently, I'm almost in 1,000 listings, so I have a lot of products. And I was on my way to making $10,000 in sales overall, which half of that is profit because TikTok shops has very little fees and a lot of products that you can sell over there. You can sell it almost for a double the price you find on eBay. So if you find something for $10, you can most likely sell it for $20 on TikTok shop. So overall, everything has been amazing, right? I've been getting payouts every day. Everything is great. But on October 9th, something happened, okay? My views, my traffic has dropped significantly, like crazy, okay? And ever since then, TikTok has not been pushing my listing to the public so much, okay? Now, this sounds really bad, but don't worry. There's actually a positive message after this. There's actually a twist that happened, but I just want to show you step by step the event history, okay? So October 9th, something happened. I got dropped in views. I was usually getting about 20, 25 orders a day. It dropped to like 1 or 0 that day, okay? So it got bad. And what happened on October 9th is that I got 3 reviews from customers that purchased products from me, and all of these reviews were 1-star reviews, okay? That really affect my rating. It dropped to 3.6, which is very low for TikTok standards. My shop health, it's not looking so good. And overall, that seems to be the cause of my drop in traffic, okay? I've been doing well, but because some of my customers were not satisfied with the product, my account health got really bad, and yes, you know the rest. So ever since then, TikTok really stopped pushing my listing as much as they used to. And this could be easily avoided because the only thing that I should have done to fix this situation, or I should say prevent this situation, is just make sure that I listed good products. You see, I outsourced the product research and the listing process to one of my virtual assistants. Usually I was the one doing the product research, but I've been busy with building the Etsy clip art store and the print on demand store, and I just want to kind of do this on the side. So I outsourced everything to someone I know, and I told her, hey, just look for relatively cheap generic products on eBay, list them for a double the price, and just focus on that. And she's been doing exactly what I told her. It's not her fault. It's honestly all on me that I didn't do the product quality check, and I also didn't specify that maybe she should look for stores that have at least 5-star reviews and only list those products. Because to avoid the situation in what I am right now, I should have just focused on listing good products. Me and my team would not focus on that. We just focus on cheap products and having a lot of products instead of listing good quality products. Because eBay has a lot of products that are cheap and have a lot of sales, but that doesn't mean that they have good rating. So don't be like me. Don't list just random stuff and actually focus on quality products to avoid this type of situation. And here's where a redeeming story happens, okay? After this incident, what I did, I went back to my inventory list and deleted all the listings that seem like a bad listing, okay? If I can see that this could potentially lead me to a situation where I'm gonna get punished again, I delete all these listings. I make sure that we only left the good quality listings. I even deleted some of the bestsellers I had because they had bad reviews on eBay, because I just want to have a good standing store. And I actually like TikTok dropshipping. It's very easy and it's cool and you can make a lot of money with it. So I want to continue using that store. And ever since I did that, I actually saw an uptake in the traffic. It's not what it used to, but at least I'm getting a couple orders a day again. And I believe that slowly I'm going to build up my momentum. I'm hoping that for that because it's Q4. So I know this is going to be hot market right now. And I want to be part of the market. And I also noticed that TikTok Shops is doing this weekly evaluation. So I'm hoping whenever the new week comes in and they see that I fixed my situation and, you know, I'm a good boy now, they're gonna put me in a better spotlight and they will push my listing a little bit more. I'm really hoping for that. So there's hope. And even if this is not gonna work out, I know what I did wrong. So worst case scenario, what I'm thinking, I'm just gonna open a new store and start from the beginning. And this time, I'm going to make sure that all the listings are actually good. Nobody is perfect. And I like to share with you my wins, but I also like to share with you my losses. Because at the end of the day, I think this is useful for all of us to learn from our losses. Again, this could be easily avoided if I just pay attention and make sure that the quality of my listings is great. However, I noticed that there's something deeper going on with TikTok Shops right now. It seems like they improved their algorithm because a lot of members of our Discord community have noticed that they get violation points for listings that they listed months ago. And now TikTok suddenly decides they're like, hey, you know, we don't want these listings. And this has also been noticed by the official TikTok Shop community. And TikTok actually responded to the message and said, this is a mistake and we're evaluating this. And they're actually going to do a webinar, or they already did the webinar about it, trying to explain the situation. So maybe they set up their algorithmic senses to be too sensitive and then just picking up on stuff that they shouldn't normally. Again, TikTok Shops are relatively new and they probably want to improve their safety measurements for the Q4 because again, it's going to be busy this quarter. So they want to make sure that everything is great on their platform, which is understandable. At least TikTok seems to be transparent or semi-transparent with what they do compared to like Facebook Marketplace, for example, where I feel like there is not as much communication as you have it on TikTok. Again, I'm not too worried about my shop. I think I'll be able to get the momentum back. And if not, I'm just going to open a new store and continue my journey over there. But if you want to learn more about dropshipping on TikTok, consider joining my YouTube membership and our community on Discord, where you can surround yourself with the like-minded people that have interest in, you know, similar side hustles, TikTok dropshipping, Etsy digital stuff, eBay, Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. If that's something that interests you, there's a big button that says join. Just click on it and you'll get access to all of that. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoy this. I will see you next time, my friend, and take care.